Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something fantastic for you. So leave everything just for now and watch this video with full concentrations. If you spend only 3 minutes and 22 seconds to watch this video, really I'm sure you will never lose your time. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of beautiful video. Crochet dresses are stylish, versatile and comfortable, making them a great fashion choice. Here are some benefits of wearing or owning a modern crochet dress. The first and the main one is breathability. The open wave of crochet fabric allows air circulation, making it perfect for warmer weather. Lightweight. Crochet dresses are typically made from lightweight materials, ensuring comfort during hot summer days. Customizable. Crochet dresses can be designed to fit your personal style with endless color and pattern combination. Unique style. The handmade nature of crochet gives each dress a unique artisanal quality that mass-produced clothes can't replicate. Eco-friendly. Many crochet dresses are made from sustainable materials, contributing to eco-conscious fashion. Timeless appeal. Crochet designs have a vintage charm but can be modernized, making them timeless and versatile. Stretchy. Crochet fabric tends to have some elasticity, offering a comfortable fit that moves with your body. Cool in summer. The breathable and airy nature of crochet makes it an ideal choice for hot season. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Layering friendly. Crochet dresses are perfect for layering, whether over swimsuits or paired with jacket or cardigans for color season. Thank you very much for watching.